Hi everyone, fall has officially arrived, and I really wanted to make this final part of my Halloween series feel extra cozy for you. So I brought you along for some of my favorite autumn activities. We love to get out as often as we can to get fresh air, hike, and explore, and I love seeing the usual wildlife on those trails. We often find strange tree formations that look kind of funny, and a bunch of critters along the way. Autumn is honestly my favorite time of year, especially the perfect time to go hiking. I love hearing the leaves crunch under my feet and smelling the crisp leaves in the air. And I love capturing these little moments to remember the season and the calm it brings. One of our many fall activities includes checking out some of our local farms for seasonal food. This farm in particular is really well known for their pies and pastries, and they were really good. And the farm may be small, but it's so charming. Now it's time for the final part of my Halloween DIY series, my still life painting. I decided to use Pillsbury Halloween cookies as my subject. I'm not sponsored by them or anything. I just wanted something nostalgic and cute for fall, so I went with the classic. Arranging everything and capturing the right lighting is half the fun when creating still lifes. And honestly, it took me a few to get this one right because it's been a while. For still lifes, you usually leave your setup out as you paint, but I didn't want the milk to spoil or the cookies to get stale, so I just took a photo of it instead. When creating still lifes, it's important to add a light source because it helps bring a mood and tone to your painting. I never really pick all the colors I end up using for my paintings. I'm always adding more as I go along, and my paint palette in the end is such a mess. I had ended up adding a darker background than what the original reference had. I wanted the milk to stand out more this way. So I ended up looking up similar references of a glass jar and a dark background online just to make sure I was painting in the right direction. I also added this wonky looking plate under the milk and cookies, so the overall painting wasn't too dark and unbalanced, and it brought the cookies to life a little more. And that's the end of today's fall vlog and the last part of my Halloween DIY decor series. Thank you for watching and spending part of your fall with me. I'll have prints of this painting available in my shop if you'd like one. Details are in the description box below. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to like, subscribe, or just say hi to me in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts on how I did with this painting and if you'd like to see anything else similar. See you soon, and remember to always be bold, be creative, and most importantly, be you. Bye!